Hey guys, it's your girl Staciewo and welcome back to my channel. And today, honey, I am giving you this yellow, fall yellow in the fall, baby. Okay? And if you love this look and if you want to see how I created this look, sit back, grab your cute little palettes and your cute tools, and let's just jump right into this video. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? And also don't forget to hit that notification bell button because you do not want to miss what your boo Staciewo got coming for you, okay? So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Alright guys, so now we're going to start off with priming and moisturizing the face. Right now I'm actually using the coconut smoothing priming moisture. This really works on my skin and it hydrates my skin to like the full capacity because I have very dry skin. Moisturize it right and like it. All right, now we're going to go into priming the face. I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Get you some of this, girl. Honey, this is like the best primer I have ever used, and I only take 2 pumps and it goes over my whole face, okay? Love this. And I'd like pat it in. All right, so of course I'm going to use another primer. I use a couple of primers. I'm stuck on the Tarte primer, and this is the Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer. I just do it right here. I just have that face for creasing for some reason, so if y'all can find me a primer that don't crease at all, definitely put that in the comments too. All right, now since we have all of that done, we're going to go into the eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, right now I am using the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit. But before I even do my eyebrows, I go in with the NYX Control Free Eyebrow Gel. I just take it and just move it up because I like my eyes very bushy. All right, so now since we are done that, let's just get right into drawing these eyebrows on, honey. All right, since I got my brows on, I am going to go right in with the P Louise Rumor Base 6, and shout out to TaylorMade Jane for putting out these bases that's actually our color. I love P Louise anyway. It's better with blending. Me personally, I like P Louise better than a lot of things. I use Shape Tape under my eyes, but for my lids, P Louise has been my best friend. So I'm going to go in with this and clean my eyebrows. You only need a little bit. I'm actually using the MAC 242 flat brush. Now since we got that finished, I'm going to take a cool fluffy little brush. Got this from Amazon, and it's a little dense but not dense. It's very fluffy. So I'm going to take this and blend that P Louise right out. I love this because I like my eyebrows to look very natural.
I don't know about you, but I do, baby.
I'm gonna take the Control NYX and fluffing my eyebrows up just a little bit. Not a pro on eyebrows. I'm gonna let y'all know now. I'm still working on it. All right, now we're going to jump right into the eyelid. I'm just going to go in right now with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and I'm going to try this and just put it on my lid. You don't really need a lot. You just need a couple of drops. I'm gonna use that same brush that I used to go in with my P Louise, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. All right, so now since we have got that done, now we're going to jump into eyeshadow, my favorite part, girl. Yes, girl. That's my daughter in the background, okay? We're going to jump into a palette, the James Morphe palette, of course. I'm going to take this cool yellow right here. I am going to dab it on my eyelid. Matter of fact, this is the wrong brush. I am going to use the Morphe. It's like a flat brush. It comes with the gold collection, and pat it all on my lid. Little Kim album. If you haven't got that, girl, you better stop playing and go get it. I'm going to jump in to another palette. I'm going to actually be using a Juvias palette, and I'm going to take this fluffy brush, and I'm going to jump in that yellow right there. Do you see it? I'm going to put that yellow in my crease. Alright guys, we have popped on these lashes, so now we're going to get into this face. So the first thing that I do with face, and of course I definitely got this from Jackie. I put powder on my face first. So I'm going to take my beauty blender and just dab that on my face, like around my complicated areas. I'm using this cool, I love this, the Dark Deep Studio Fix Perfecting Powder from MAC. It is a jewel. Trust me. I got you, girl. Make sure you get that. Now we're going to go into foundation. I'm going to jump into this NARS foundation in the color D2. Take a couple of squirts. So then I'm going to take this NYX brush, and it is the NYX Makeup Brush 3, and I'm going to dab that right in my skin. I'm going to take Toast, and I'm going to put this right on my creases again. And I'm going to set that right there. I'm also going to take this and put it under my eye. And I'm going to use this as a color corrector. And I'm going to let that sit just for a minute. Just chill, let it sit so it can really get into that skin, baby. So to blend my under eye, I will be taking the Morphe M173 brush, and I'm going to go right in and blend that out. You see? Just dab that into my skin. So those creases. Now I am going to take the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the color Tan Deep Sand. And I'm going to put that in the corner of my eye, just like that. So the brush that I'm going to be using to blend this out is going to be the same Morphe M173. I'm just going to blend this out. Blending with brushes is not for somebody that's in a rush. Don't do it. Girl, you'll be blending for days.
Know that.
So, since I'm doing a photo shoot, I really just want to look a little bit brighter. So, I'm going to put this right here and blend that out. I'm going to go into my MAC Pro Concealer Correcting Palette, and I'm going to use this dark color right here. So I'm going to use this brush. This is a little flat brush. I got it from Amazon, and I'm just going to take some of that dark and just line it right here. I don't take mine all the way over, then do a little dot right here at my temples, and then just shape the face, put some on the forehead. And then I'm going to go in my nose. We're going to blend that right out. Oh, but wait, first, before I do that, I do go and take a little bit of my Shape Tape, just a teeny bit, and I go under. Alright, so now since I got that done, I'm going to go in with my nose. This is a cool brush that I got from Amazon, a little flat, fluffy brush. I just blend. I blend down. Now, of course, we need to set the face. I'm going to do a little bit of baking. I'm going to just take some of my Can't Stop, Won't Stop Rockefeller Records, because we'll get down, baby. My Can't Stop, Won't Stop NYX. Okay, that right there, boo. Yeah. This is the color Banana. Okay, so get you some banana and place that under your eye. And don't forget to get, if you got them lines like me, girl, you better get it. I don't put a lot because, girl, that flashback is serious. You be like, looking a hot mess. Honestly, truly. I'm going to take the same brush, the NYX brush, and I'm going to just dust it all. So now I'm going to set my entire face. I'm going to go in with the MAC Mineral Skin Finish in Dark Deep all over my face. Then I'm going to go back in that Can't Stop, Won't Stop. And I'm going to just take a little bit of the Can't Stop, Won't Stop and just put it . And I'm going to let that sit for a minute. While we let that sit, we're going to get back into these eyes, honey, because we're not done with the eyes. Okay. I'm going to go in with a regular black eyeliner pencil that I got from LA Color. I'm going to take this and go under my eye. Somebody told me it's not good to hold your eye down. You're supposed to like use something. If that's true, put it in the comments, because I'm so sorry. It's a bad habit and I still do it. Okay, so if I need to stop, hit me in my comments, say, hey, Stacey, stop doing that, girl, and I will definitely stop. I promise. But somebody told me to stop and I didn't, but I swear I'ma stop. It's just so addictive, girl. I just don't understand. All right, now we're gonna go in, and of course y'all already know if y'all watched my last video, the Great Lash by Maybelline. And I'm just going to take this mascara. Hold up, wait a minute. First, before I take that mascara, I'm going to take a little teeny brush from Morphe. I'm actually taking the M212 brush. I'm going to take that and I'm gonna jump in my Morphe palette. I'm gonna use that black that he has in that palette. I'm gonna use this black right here. And I'm a dab a little bit, and I'm going to blow my under eye out with that. Feeling myself already, girl. You better stop it. They don't want it right now, girl. Shit, I'm about to go out. Fuck a shoot. I'm about to go out. You know what I'm saying, girl? Hey, somebody call me. Ready to go out with this look, okay? All right, now we can go into the Great Lash, and I'm just going to pull those bottom lashes out. I'm going to dust this off. Now we can spray the mist. God damn. Shit, so good. All right, so now since that face is nice and wet, honey, we are going to go in this right here. I'm going to use that same brush that I used to contour, and I'm just going to, I definitely want to highlight some more. So I'm going to go into this, show my ass today, baby. Oh, you showing off, girl. All right, now since we got that done, honey, we have to go into blush, baby. And of course, I've been hooked on this blush from Elf, y'all. Like, let me find out. Like, this blush is so cute. And it got a little mirror. The color that I got is the Blushing Rose. Girl, I like this. So I'm going to just go in like that. Since we are done, honey, we going to go into lip. So for lip, I'm using the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Auto Liner. It's for eyes, but I'm using it on my lip to line my lips. Alright, so now since that liner is on, I'm going to go in with a lip gloss from MAC. Of course, I love this. And after that, I'm going to go in with the NYX Lingerie gloss. I'm going to go in with this and just put it in the lip like that. So now since I'm done that, I'm going to go one back in, one more round. Girl, I need a whole box of these. I'm going to go one more round. Okay, so now let me pop my earrings on, let my hair down, and I'll be right back. So I done let my hair down, put these bamboo earrings on, and I'm not going to lie, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. And if you are feeling it, make sure you hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you do not want to miss what your girl Staciewo got coming up. And if you want to be the first one, make sure you hit that notification bell button. And then you will be the first person to get what your boo Staciewo got coming for you. Hold, pause. I just rhymed. That was just totally crazy. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.